Good morning. That was a good sleep. I only woke up like once. It's 8 o'clock. Today's the day.
Back on road, literally. First brown sheep I've seen here. Found the waterfall! Yes! That was the second thing I wanted to do. Stone circle, waterfall, now Helvellyn. Look up there. That looks amazing. Can finally see Helvellyn again. It's been about 12 hours since I could actually see the summit. It's been hidden by this part of the mountain, which I don't know if it's a separate mountain or is still part of Helvellyn, but that's where we're heading.
This water looks so clean.
There's the peak just over that tree. This is where the climb begins. Helvellyn, let's go. Hiya. Yeah.
Can you see in the distance over there? A fighter jet just flew through the mountains. You can hear it, that's for sure.
There's waterfalls all the way down this mountain, just little mini ones. Hi. Jeez. Hiya. Yeah, good, thanks. How are you?
Oh, good. It is worth it.
Yeah.
Vino?
No, yeah, is that the summit, or is it going much further than that? Yeah, I thought it was. Yeah, I thought it was.
Once you get over that,
Yeah.
there's a bit more, and then the last like 20% is
Yeah,
flat.
look forward to the last 20%.
Alright.
That bit's easy, yeah.
Okay.
So it gets worse before it gets better, but it does get better.
Yeah, I mean that looks pretty steep there.
Yeah.
Is that like the halfway point, or is it further?
Further, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Are we-
In terms of how much energy it takes you to get up there,
Okay.
like 80% of it, really.
Okay, what about right here?
Probably about
Great
halfway.
question. When you get to
Maybe-
when you see where it starts getting really steeper,
Yeah.
that's where you're definitely halfway there.
All right, nice one.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Have a good day.
Take care, you too.
The jets are back. Okay. It started getting steeper now. Some lads told me this was the halfway point. Making some progress. Been walking for 2 hours and 10 minutes. Hopefully, we might be able to reach the summit in 2.5 hours, maybe. Let's see. What a mission this is. Can't wait for that feeling when I reach the summit. That looks like a nasty drop. You could probably base jump off that. That rock over there. Jump. That would be amazing. Base jumping down a mountain. Let's keep going. Wow. That looks amazing. There she is, at the summit. I hope. Fucking hell. Jeez. This is what we came here for. Hey sheep. Imagine rolling down that. That would be a good way to die. What the fuck? Mushrooms! everywhere in the world, even on top of mountains. Interesting, I don't recognise that one. It's quite a thick cap. It's very cap heavy. Interesting. This mountain is deceptive, you know. I thought that that was going to be the peak. And that's the second time that I thought I'd almost come to the peak. And now I think that that's the peak, but someone just told me the peak is a little bit further past that. It never ends. I thought that you'd be able to see the peak from the floor, but you really can't. Even up here, where I'm like 90% of the way to the summit, you still apparently can't actually see the very summit. Crazy. It's just so fucking big. And look at this, Jesus, look at this drop. Oh my God, the sheep on that drop, holy shit. Bro, that is so steep. Oh, imagine if there was water flowing down here and you could get on a dinghy and just slide all the way down. That would be incredible. Maybe. No, it goes further. Of course it does. Nearly there. Booyah! The fucking summit of Helvellyn. It's arguable that where those people are standing are is it's slightly higher. Yes! Fucking did it! Wow. Let me get this fucking heavy bag off. Woo! It's so quiet up here. There's a big cross here. Oh, hey mate. Nice, me too. soaking in the views for the last 15-20 minutes. It took me the best part of 3 hours to get here, starting from the base. Boy, was it worth it. I feel so accomplished, I just feel so happy because I've just never done anything like this before. I've always loved going on long walks. I just decided to challenge myself. So happy I'm here. The third tallest mountain in England. It's only 28 meters short of being the tallest mountain in England. When the wind stops for a second, it's just dead silent. It's really amazing.